Let's talk about something every driver faces at some point, a dead battery. It always happens when you least expect it, in the cold, after a trip, or when your car's been sitting for too long. This is the NOCO Genius 5, and it's not just a charger. It's a smart tool that keeps your battery healthy, maintained, and always ready. Let me show you how it works in a real-world situation. Step 1. Plug the Genius 5 into a wall outlet. Step 2. Connect the clamps to your car's battery. Red goes to positive. Black goes to negative. The LEDs light up automatically, showing you it's working. It begins charging right away, safely, and intelligently. You don't need to press anything. No sparks. No worries. Now here's something that sets it apart. If your battery is completely dead, even at 0 volts, the Genius 5 can bring it back to life. You won't find that on many other chargers. Let's talk about maintenance too. If you leave your car parked for weeks or months, the Genius 5 keeps the battery topped up without overcharging it. It's ideal for seasonal vehicles, motorcycles, lawn equipment, or even RVs. You can leave it connected, it will take care of the rest. I used to rely on jumper cables, which only work when you have another car around. Now, I keep my batteries healthy before they ever get that bad. That's what smart battery maintenance looks like. If you want to avoid getting stuck, or paying for a new battery before it's time, this little device is a smart investment. You'll find the Amazon link below. Grab yours today and never get stuck with a dead battery again.